hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am here to give you guys another wig review. I am reviewing a wig from Megalook hair. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. So as y'all can see, she does come with 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band for a glueless look. Now the highlights kind of scared me a little bit because I wasn't expecting them to be so blonde. I was expecting more of a honey blonde, but in the end, it ended up complementing my complexion and it was actually pretty cute. So this is what the hairline looks like before I got to plucking and doing all the customization. Like I said before, I don't have a specific technique. I kind of just go off the hairline and just do what I can. You will be seeing a lot of hair come out. That was not from the shedding, but more so from the hair that I am plucking out of the wig. I'm going to section off, I believe, 6 pieces so I can go in between and pluck those sections. As a tip, be mindful of how hard you are plucking. I have plucked a lot of holes in some of my wigs that I've done before. I think y'all would probably have seen it in the video as well. But yes, please be very gentle when you are plucking. the end. It took me about 34 minutes to finish plucking the wig. I'm going to actually do a side part for this wig. This hair was given rock star. It was definitely given like goth a little bit because the streaks was just so bold. So I go within the hair to smooth it out. I'm using my Knees wax. As y'all can see, that is smoothing the top part of this wig down, y'all. And then you see I am running that hot comb through it. Again, that hot comb should not be too high, so be mindful of the heat. And of course, everything else is self-explanatory. I'm going to tint the lace. I'm going to go ahead and melt her down with an elastic band. And of course, you will be seeing the final look at the end. So for this wig, I did decide to go with baby hairs. I don't know. I was really kind of up in the air with this wig. She's cute, but I just kept on like, what else can I do? What else can I do on my head? So the baby hairs weren't too dramatic. You know, they were just two little swoops. Overall, I really love this hair from Megalook. As far as the color, that's the only thing that I kind of like, kind of pass on a little bit was the color. But surprisingly, it complimented me very well. But if I had to kind of pick this color out, I would go more so for a honey brown color highlight instead of like a blonde. The hair didn't shed, she didn't tangle. I didn't see if she can hold a curl as much, but you see I did cut layers in her, and then I bumped the ends, and it gave like a cute little look at the end. So I didn't have too many cons, and I didn't have too many pros. She was just a cute unit, a very simple, straight highlight wig. So I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you for supporting my channel, liking and sharing and subscribing as well. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. I would like to thank Megalook Hair for sending me this unit for me to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that A, baby.